Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Who is the author of The Archetypes of Literature? A. Northrop Frye, B. Clint Brooks, C. I. A. Richards, D. F. R. Lewis. The right answer is option A. Northrop Frye presented the theory of archetypes in literature. He explained recurring symbols and myths as universal patterns. Next question. The concept of deconstruction is associated with A. Jacques Derrida, B. Roland Barthes, C. Michel Foucault, D. Ferdinand de Saussure. The right answer is option A. Jacques Derrida developed the theory of deconstruction. It challenges fixed meanings in texts and language. Next question. Who wrote the essay, The Death of the Author? A. Roland Barthes, B. Jacques Lacan, C. Julia Kristeva, D. Edward Said. The right answer is option A. Roland Barthes argued that the author's intention is not central to meaning. He shifted focus from writer to reader. Next question. Structuralism in linguistics was founded by A. Ferdinand de Saussure, B. Noam Chomsky, C. Roman Jakobson, D. Claude Lévi-Strauss. The right answer is option A. Saussure laid the foundation of structural linguistics. He introduced concepts of signifier and signified. Next question. Who introduced the idea of practical criticism? A. I. A. Richards, B. F. R. Lewis, C. T. S. Eliot, D. Clint Brooks. The right answer is option A. I. A. Richards developed practical criticism. It focuses on close reading of texts without historical bias. Next question. The term, intentional fallacy, was coined by A. Wimsatt and Beardsley, B. F. R. Lewis, C. Matthew Arnold, D. T. S. Eliot. The right answer is option A. Wimsatt and Beardsley argued that authorial intention should not determine interpretation. They promoted objective textual analysis. Next question. Who is the author of Orientalism? A. Edward Said, B. Homi K. Bhabha, C. Gayatri Spivak, D. Frantz Fanon. The right answer is option A. Edward Said wrote Orientalism, a foundational postcolonial text. It critiques Western representation of the East. Next question. The concept of hybridity is associated with A. Edward Said, B. Homi K. Bhabha, C. Chinua Achebe, D. Stuart Hall. The right answer is option B. Homi K. Bhabha developed the idea of hybridity in postcolonial studies. It refers to cultural mixing and in-between identity. Next question. Who wrote The Second Sex? A. Simone de Beauvoir, B. Virginia Woolf, C. Elaine Showalter, D. Judith Butler. The right answer is option A. Simone de Beauvoir's book is a landmark in feminist theory. It analyzes the social construction of womanhood. Next question. The phrase, anxiety of influence, was coined by A. Harold Bloom, B. Northrop Frye, C. Clint Brooks, D. Jacques Derrida. The right answer is option A. Harold Bloom discussed how new writers struggle under the influence of earlier writers. He explained literary creativity as a psychological battle. Next question. Who is the author of Gender Trouble? A. Elaine Showalter, B. Judith Butler, C. Ellen Sixhouse, D. Kate Millett. The right answer is option B. Judith Butler questioned fixed gender identities in Gender Trouble. She proposed gender as performative. Next question. The theory of dialogism is given by A. Mikhail Bakhtin, B. Roland Barthes, C. Jacques Derrida, D. Michel Foucault. The right answer is option A. Bakhtin proposed dialogism as interaction of multiple voices in a text. It opposes single authoritative meaning. Next question. Who wrote Culture and Imperialism? A. Edward Said, B. Frantz Fanon, C. Homi K. Bhabha, D. Ngugi wa Thiong'o. The right answer is option A. Edward Said expanded his postcolonial critique in this book. He connected literature with colonial power structures. Next question. The concept of intertextuality was introduced by A. Julia Kristeva, B. Jacques Lacan, C. Roland Barthes, D. Ferdinand de Saussure. The right answer is option A. Julia Kristeva coined the term intertextuality. It means every text is shaped by other texts. Next question. Who wrote the book, A Room of One's Own? A. Virginia Woolf, B. Simone de Beauvoir, C. Elaine Showalter, D. Mary Wollstonecraft. The right answer is option A. Virginia Woolf argued for financial and intellectual freedom for women writers. The book is central to feminist literary criticism. Next question. Which critic is associated with New Historicism? A. Stephen Greenblatt, B. Harold Bloom, C. Northrop Frye, D. Cleaned Brooks. The right answer is option A. Stephen Greenblatt developed New Historicism. It studies literature in relation to power and historical context. Next question. The idea of power and knowledge is linked with A. Michel Foucault, B. Jacques Derrida, C. Roland Barthes, D. Louis Althusser. The right answer is option A. Michel Foucault connected knowledge with systems of power. His theory influenced cultural and literary studies. Next question. Who wrote The Wretched of the Earth? A. Frantz Fanon, B. Chinua Achebe, C. Edward Said, D. Ngugi wa Thiong'o. The right answer is option A. Frantz Fanon analyzed the psychological effects of colonialism. The book inspired post-colonial revolutionary thought. Next question. The term gynecriticism was coined by A. Elaine Showalter, B. Kate Millett, C. Simone de Beauvoir, D. Ellen Sixhouse. The right answer is option A. Elaine Showalter developed gynecriticism as the study of women's writing. It focuses on female literary tradition.